Guys, ginabi tayo.
Bago natin ituloy ang video na ito, kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel baka pwede makahingi ng like at subscribe at click mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking nilalabas na bagong video. Salamat po.
Yan, nandito ngayon tayo guys. Tayo ay magsasalamin ngayon dito. Maglinis ng salamin. Ito. Bali sa kabila ay tapos na. So ito yung istasyon ng train na maliliit papuntang airport. Ayan yung isa naka-stack, no? Dahil 2 linggo silang hindi bibiyahe. Dahil kukontrolin nila yung daanan nila. Taon-taon kasi. Bali 2 linggo. 15 days. Yan, ito yung lanang ng train, ha? Hindi ito release kasi siya ay gulong. Ayan, ha? Bali 2 mga yan, yung isa ay nandyan sa likod. Dito sila nagkakasalubong. So ito ang ating titirahin ngayon, salamin. Ito ang ating babalatan.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Ginabi tayo. Doon bukas na uli kasi alas 7:30 na ng gabi. Uwi na tayo.